Hello, I wanted to make this video to tell you about a new feature in PitchDB called the Speakers tab. And in the Speakers and Experts tab, actually, we're probably going to change the name to Experts. But in this tab over here, it's either going to say Speakers or Experts. And in that tab, you'll be able to click on there and find Speakers and Experts to be on your podcast, or you can put yourself in there in order to be found. And podcasters or event planners can reach out to you directly to have you come and talk. So how do you get your data in there? We don't automatically just put people in there at this point. What we're going to do is ask for you to enter your own particular information. So if I come here and I click on my profile, you can see I can upload a photo. I can put in all of my contact information right there. I can go in and put in a small bio. I can select the categories that I want to talk on. And then I can come in, I can tell people how I'm going to promote the podcast, put in some questions that I would like to be asked. But let me show you this section where it says your own podcast appearance 1, 2, and 3. Now, when I come over here to podcast, you can see that I can click this button that says this is my episode. And by doing that, or this is my podcast. And by doing that, it lets the profile know that that's your podcast. So now people can click on that podcast and actually listen to you on your podcast. Or if I go to episodes, since I don't have a podcast, I can search for myself. And right next to the episodes I've already been on, I can click, this is my episode. As you can see, mine say episode already added, which means that I already have this showing to people that these are episodes that they can find me on. These I think are my 3 latest and greatest episodes. So they can find me on those podcasts, and then they can reach out to me directly if they like what I'm talking about. So by me adding all of that information into my profile, it appears here in my speaker tab. All of the information, of course, doesn't show immediately, but most of the most important information. So once someone decides they want to reach out to you, they use a pitch just like they do for podcasting and everything else, and then they can have you booked. Isn't that pretty cool? All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to go and create your profile. We want you to get not only outbound bookings like you're doing now by sending pitches, but we want people to be able to find you and to reach out to you. All right. I think this is a really cool feature. Talk to you later.